Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
If you are a man over the age of 50, here is a reality most won't tell you. Your testosterone levels have likely fallen by almost 40% compared to when you were 25. That one decline explains why your energy is lower, why your erections are weaker, and why your stamina does not hold like it once did. But what if I told you that you could reverse much of this decline? Not with medications, not with expensive surgeries, but through 3 simple exercises. Movements that take less than 10 minutes a day, yet reignite blood flow, activate natural testosterone production, and bring back strength and performance you thought were gone forever. Most men never hear this. Their doctors never mention it. Gyms rarely teach it, yet scientific research and decades of practice prove that these movements can reshape male performance after 50. So the question becomes, will you take advantage of this knowledge, or will you allow time to slowly drain your power? I am Dr. Larry Elizabeth, specialist in men's health and performance, and today I am going to walk you step by step through 3 vital exercises designed to restore your vitality, increase testosterone naturally, and support stronger, longer-lasting erections without any pills or procedures. Before we begin, do one quick thing: tap that like button and subscribe. What you are about to learn can change your mornings, your nights, and your confidence as a man. As the years go by, tiny changes start to stack up. You wake up without the same spark, even if you slept 8 hours. Workouts that were once effortless now leave you tired. Erections that used to appear easily begin to feel weaker, slower, or unpredictable. This isn't simply aging, it's biology. After 50, testosterone production declines significantly. Blood vessels stiffen, limiting the circulation needed for intimacy. Core and pelvic muscles weaken, and these are the engines of male performance. Add stress, long periods of sitting, and lack of movement, and the decline speeds up. The dangerous part? Many men accept it as normal. They turn to pills, supplements, or risky medical options. But these only mask symptoms, they never rebuild what matters. Because here's the truth. Your body still has the ability to produce testosterone, to send blood surging through the right pathways, and to stay strong and capable. The switch isn't broken, it's just asleep. So how do you turn it back on? Through targeted movement, not random exercise, not hours at the gym, but 3 specific exercises that fire up the exact muscles, nerves, and hormone pathways responsible for male vitality. Once you learn them, you will realize how close you are to regaining your power. Exercise number 1. Hip thrust, glute bridge, simple in appearance, extraordinary in effect. Lie on your back, feet hip width apart. Arms at your sides. Push through your heels and raise your hips slowly. Hold 2 to 3 seconds, squeezing your glutes. Lower with control. Repeat 10 to 15 times, for 2 to 3 sets. This exercise strengthens your glutes, pelvic floor, and deep core muscles, the very areas responsible for pumping blood into the pelvis and maintaining erections. When weak, blood escapes. When strong, circulation remains where it needs to be. Studies show compound moves like this boost testosterone and growth hormone. Every hip lift trains your muscles and your hormones. No equipment needed, just consistency. Exercise number 2, deep squat, horse stance. Now we stand, and go deeper. Feet wider than shoulders, toes slightly turned out. Sit back as if into a chair, chest tall, knees aligned. Hold 15 to 30 seconds, building to 1 or 2 minutes over time. Breathe. Deep inhale through the nose, slow exhale through the mouth. This ancient posture strengthens the legs, hips, and pelvic floor, critical for blood flow and power. And here's the exciting part. Challenging the legs, the largest muscles in the body, signals your system to boost testosterone. This stance builds endurance, focus, and control, all essential for intimacy and performance. Exercise number 3, cobra stretch, upward dog. Now we open and release. Lie face down, legs extended. Hands beneath shoulders. Inhale and lift your chest. Keep hips down first, then progress to lifting them in the full upward pose. Hold 15 to 20 seconds. Repeat 3 to 5 times. This stretch releases tight hip flexors and abdominal muscles. Tightness here blocks blood flow and compresses nerves involved in erections. It also calms the nervous system and reduces stress, one of the biggest silent killers of testosterone. Men are often shocked at how quickly this unlocks energy and lightness. Putting it all together, daily routine. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day. Hip thrust, 2 sets of 15. Horse stance. Start 30 seconds, build to 1 to 2 minutes. Cobra stretch. Hold 20 seconds, repeat 3 to 5 times. Strength, right pointing arrow, hormone activation, right pointing arrow, circulation and flexibility. Done daily, this improves more than intimacy. It lifts mood, supports energy, sharpens clarity, and reminds you that your vitality isn't controlled by age but by action. Now I want to know, which exercise will you start today? Comment below. Your step might inspire another man to reclaim his health. 3 movements: hip thrusts, deep squats, cobra stretch. Together they rebuild circulation, restart testosterone, and restore lasting strength and confidence naturally. No shortcuts, no gimmicks. Just your body working the way it was designed to. Now the choice is yours. Will you give yourself 10 minutes a day to regain your power? Or will you allow time and neglect to keep taking it away? Commit, and the results speak for themselves.
Don't
if you
forget
gained
to
value,
comment,
hit like,
and
subscribe,
for
and share
more
this with a man
amazing
who
health
needs
videos
it.
on Health
Let's
Fact.
build a community of men who don't surrender their vitality to age. I'm Dr. Larry Elizabeth. Your energy, your confidence, your strength, it starts with you. Begin today. Your body will thank you tomorrow.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.